My video guide is about getting rid of the adware type application called lowdown. The trouble with this adware type program called lowdown is that you cannot find it in the control panel. You may go to the control panel trying to examine the list of all available programs, and you just cannot find it here. But you will definitely find it if you go to the task manager of your computer. You will find several processes that are called lowdown tag copyright all rights reserved. However, this process may be named in a different way. If you right-click on it and select the option to open file location, this will lead you to the special executable called lowdown. This adware, if it gets installed, starts to display the tremendous portion of intrusive advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. These ads may point users to many shady and really deceptive pages in the internet. We recommend and we really urge you to remove this adware as soon as possible. We recommend you to perform the complex checkup of your computer with the help of reliable antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com, so download it, install it, and after the program is successfully installed, start researching the system with its help. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.